Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from the Half Century of Progress show located in Rantoul, Illinois. This big farming event features over 200 acres of harvesting, and one of the most popular features of the show is the corn picking demonstration. As classic tractors and pickers harvest the corn, there's also a variety of support equipment of the vintage variety that is used to open up the fields ahead of the corn pickers and then also shell the corn and separate the cobs and then redistribute the cobs back out on the fields. So I want to take you through the entire process from a combine opening up the headlands on the show demonstration plots, a few of my favorite corn pickers that are at the show, and then we'll see that whole threshing process. So let's head out to the show now so you can see and hear all this vintage farm machinery in action. Before the corn pickers can begin harvesting the corn, a classic mid-1970s 150 bushel, 112 horsepower, white farm equipment 8600 Harvest Boss combine will take off the headlands on the fields where the corn harvest demonstration will take place. This 4-row machine is really neat to see, and it runs just for a few minutes each day, but it's definitely one of those great 1970s classic machines to see in action at the Half Century of Progress show. The corn pickers make a total of 3 passes across the field each morning and afternoon during the corn harvest demonstration. Once they fill their wagons with ears of corn, the wagons are taken over to the corn shelling station where they're unloaded and threshed. We will be able to see the grain separated from the cobs. The grain is loaded into wagons, and then the cobs of corn are sent over to a spreader, which redistributes the cobs back on the fields. It's really amazing how much farm equipment was required simply to shell corn and separate it from the cob. This would have been a major event on the farm, not only picking the corn out in the field, but also that entire threshing process. A modern day combine can do all of this in the field in just a few seconds, but it's really exciting to see it all happening at the Half Century of Progress show the way it did 50 or 60 years ago. hope you've enjoyed spending some time hearing and seeing all the classic farm machinery involved in picking corn during the corn harvest demonstration at the Half Century of Progress show. If you'd like to learn more about this big farming event, visit halfcenturyofprogress.com. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video what your favorite machinery was. Was it the classic tractors, the corn pickers, the corn shelling equipment, or the lawn and garden tractors running the PTO-driven farm machines? If you would like to see more videos from Big Tractor Power YouTube, consider subscribing to the channel where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see more content from the Half Century of Progress show, watch this video for a few more seconds to the end screen to a direct link to additional Big Tractor Power features from the show. As always, thank you for watching.